What's up everyone, I'm Dustin Jones and I'm gonna show you around two of Can-Am's baddest ATVs, the Renegade and the Outlander, and all of the new updates for 2023. We're specifically gonna take a look at the Renegade XXC 1000R and the Outlander XTP 1000R. But all of these updates apply to the 2023 Renegade lineup and the Outlander 850 and 1000R. The Renegade 1000R is the most powerful ATV on the market. It's ready for mud, obstacles, trails, whatever you throw at it. But the Outlander is not gonna be outdone. It has the most hauling in class. And so if it's adventure riding, mud riding, racing, whatever you got, Can-Am has got a rig for you. This year's Renegade and Outlander look even meaner than you're used to. With this new front fascia and the integrated LED headlights, rain, shine, darker day, it doesn't matter. These bad boys are ready to get down, and they're gonna look good doing it. On top of this awesome new look, the Renegade also comes in new colorations for 2023, so this bad boy is gonna stand out even more. Obviously, you can't have looks without performance, and all of these new models are gonna come with a feature that's gonna change the way you drive. It's the all-new Intelligent Engine Braking, or IEB. The all-new IEB puts you in control of your engine braking. So if you've got a heavy load, like an Outlander with a trailer, and you're trying to ease downhill, you're gonna need more engine braking. But if it's you and a passenger on one of the two-ups, and you don't wanna be bumping your head every time you hit the throttle, well, that obviously requires less engine braking. So no matter your riding style or the load you're carrying, the new IEB will put you in control. Also, the 91 horsepower Rotax 1000R V-twin engine that you've always trusted gives you class-leading power to go with that braking calibration. Now that we covered some of the features that are in common with the Outlander and Renegade, let's go into the specifics of the Renegade XXC 1000R. This new Renegade comes with the Fox Podium 1.5 RC2 shocks. You've got high speed, low speed, and rebound damping adjustments, so your vehicle can be adjusted to match your riding style and the terrain you're riding in. That just means no matter what the day brings, these Fox shocks can handle it. This 2023 Renegade XXC 1000R is sitting on 25-inch ITP whole shot ATR tires. And these whole shots are wrapped around a 12-inch bead lock. So that means even when you're running hard on the gas, hitting those corners, you don't have to worry about blowing a bead off a tire. So go ahead, open that throttle and crank a corner. The new Outlander XTP 1000R has a lot of similar upgrades, like the Fox 1.5 Podium QS3 shocks. Easy clickers allow you to adjust your compression, and so now you can ride anywhere in any way that you want. On the Outlander, you'll find front and rear bumpers, center skid plates, mud guards, and a 3,500-pound winch. In unpredictable riding conditions, the Visco Forelock offers you more than just traction. In normal riding conditions, it retains that on-the-fly, limited slip front differential that gives you great handling and control. But if you hit difficult obstacles and terrain that require maximum grip, you can pop it into Forelock at just a push of a button. I love customizing my Can-Am, and whether it's work, play, or both, everyone knows that a good ride is about more than just performance. It's also about comfort, and comfort is all about accessories. The Link Cargo Box is an awesome accessory for whenever you need to haul extra equipment. It's got loads of storage for all your gear, plus fixtures for attaching things to, like tool holders. I know I like to jam when I ride, so last but not least is the sound system. Putting out 150 watts of clear power, the Bluetooth handlebar soundbar by MTX is weather resistant and gives you fingertip control. So no matter what you like to jam to when you're out on the trails, the soundtrack is in your hands. Whether the payloads are large or the mud holes are deep, go all in with the 2023 Can-Am Outlander and Renegade. And for more information, go visit your local dealer or go to canamoffroad.com.